everybody, this is Miss Faina. Today I'm going to show you how to use the iPad calculator to find the slope given to ordered pairs. So you go to your TI Inspire app, we're going to hit New, and we're going to go down to List and Spreadsheets. Okay, sorry, I know it's a little hard to see. Okay, so List in Spreadsheets. Then it's going to take you to what looks like an Excel spreadsheet. Okay, on the Excel spreadsheet, we're going to go up to that A, and we're going to double tap, and we're going to type in X and hit Enter. Then we're going to go up to where the B is, and now we need to type in Y. To get Y, you have to hit this ABC button. And you're going to type in Y, and we want it to be a lowercase y, so make sure you turn that caps lock off and hit Return, which is the same thing as Enter. Okay, so now that we have that, we're going to go to our first cell, and we're going to type in our first point. So our X value is -4, and our Y value is -4. So in the cell A1, I'm going to double tap, and I'm going to type in -4, and I'm going to hit Enter. And then I'm going to go to B1 and type in -4 for my Y value. Okay, there's my first point. Now my second point is 2, 0. The 2 is my X. The 0 is my Y. So I do 2. I hit Enter. I go over to the next one. I hit 0. I hit Enter. Okay, now that I have the cells all filled out, and I apologize for it being hard to see, we're going to go to this little tool button up at the top. We're going to press that. We're going to go down to Statistics, and we're going to hit Stat Calculations, which is that first one. Okay, so when I hit Stat Calculations, from here I want to go to Linear Regression, and in parentheses it has Y equals MX plus B. Okay, oh, sorry, it got really blurry there for a second. There we go, if I hold it a little tilted. So I want to go to Y equals MX plus B. Okay, in the X list, I want to delete what's there, and I want to use the variable X. On the Y list, I'm going to use that ABC button again, and I'm going to do a lowercase y, and then I'm just going to hit OK up here at the top. Okay, so when I do that, there we go, that helps. Remember, my slope is M, and so it gives it to me as a decimal, and I don't want a decimal. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to tap it to where I get copy, and I want to copy it over. Okay, from here I'm going to hit Add, and I want to add a calculator. When I do that, I'm able to paste that value in. So notice I get the 0.6 repeating. Okay, and I want to change this to a fraction. So to do that, I hit the little tool button again, and I want to go to Number, Approximate to Fraction, and I get that, and I just press Enter, and it changes it to the fraction for me, 2/3. So that is my slope. M equals 2/3. Okay, so let's try this again. So we're going to go back to our, oops, hit the wrong button. We're going to go back, so I'm just going to discard my changes. I'm going to hit new, and I want to go again to list in spreadsheet. With the A, I'm going to double tap, there we go, and I'm going to use X, press enter, go to B, I have to hit A, B, C to get a lowercase y, press enter or return. Okay, in cell A1, I'm going to type in my X values. So I have a -3 for X and a +3 for Y. So I have a -3, return, +3, return. Okay, my second point, I have a -1 and a +2. So I have a -1, return, +2, return. Okay, so I have my points all plugged in. I'm trying to get it to where you can see it. From here, I go over off to the side. I'm going to hit the tool button. I want to go to statistics, stat calculations, and I want to go to linear regression mx plus b. Okay, the x list, I erase it and I type in x. The y list, I type in y. I hit OK. And it gives me my slope. Remember, it's m. Okay, I want to change that to a fraction. So I tap it and I hit copy. I go to add a new calculator. I paste my number. Then I go to the tool button and I go to number, approximate to fraction, and then I hit enter and it gives me the fraction, oops, sorry you can't see it, as a -1/2. -1/2. Sorry, you can't see that negative sign. So my slope is a -1/2. Okay, so if you have any questions, please reach out to your teachers. We're here to help you. And have a great day, Rangers.